Hello, thanks so much for clicking on my video. Welcome to my channel, Lovely Moments Creating. If you are new here, consider joining the family by hitting that subscribe button. And remember the notification bell because that way you'll be reminded every time I upload a video. My name is Jenny, and on this channel I create budget-friendly home decor that's easy to do. So if you want to see some of my creations, keep watching. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching another one of my videos. Today I'll be sharing with you some very simple and easy Mother's Day gift ideas. From Michaels, I have these wood word signs, and these were 99¢. The Dollar Tree do sell these, but they smaller, and I like these because they're a little bigger and they can be styled on their own. Also from Michaels for 99¢, I picked up this really pretty ribbon that has these flowers on them. These were so cute, and I like this ribbon because it's thin and it's small. I also have some florals here from Michaels that was $1.20 for 3 stems, and I think these are so pretty and they will look great for Mother's Day. And I'll be using some of my Waverly white chalk paint. And so the first thing I'm going to do is paint both of these wood signs using that white chalk paint, and I'm going to make sure I paint in between the letters and get everything covered. I thought the size of these was really great, especially for 99¢, and I thought just decorate these and style these on their own and they will be a cute gift for Mother's Day. I'm just taking my sanding paper from the Dollar Tree, just sanding around these just a little bit, giving a little distress in certain areas. And then after I get this complete, the next thing that I'm going to do is take that ribbon that I picked up from Michaels, and I'm just going to hot glue that down to the base of this sign. So I'm just going to add a little glue, and then I'm going to press everything down, and I'm going to cut it off. I don't want it on the sides, I just want it right at the bottom. And I'm going to repeat that step on the other side. And then after I get that clipped off, I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other one. And then after I get that complete, what I'm going to do is just glue down these little floral pieces. I did cut all of the pieces off of the stem to glue them down separate. And I'm just taking pieces and hot gluing them right on the end next to the F. And I'm going to do the same thing to the other side. And I'm just going to glue all of the little greenery and floral pieces close to the L. And then this will be it for this DIY. I think these are so cute. These could be styled on a tray or just blending in with some other decor. But how cute is these for a Mother's Day gift? Very budget friendly and easy to do, and I think they look great for Mother's Day. The second project, I have these greeneries from Walmart. These were $5.48, but I've been using off this bunch for several projects. I think this is totally worth it, and they are so pretty and have a nice little high-end look. Also from Walmart, I have these 4x6 pictured frames. These were $1, but I'm going to use these instead of the ones from the Dollar Tree because I love the color, and that way I do not have to paint these. And I picked up one also in the 8x10 size, and this one was $2. And I'm also going to be using these letters that I love from Hobby Lobby. The original price is $3.99, but I get them on a 50% off day where I pay $1.99. I'm also going to be using some scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. The regular price was 69¢, but I got them for 50% off. What I'm doing now is just removing the backing and the paper from my frames because I'm going to use the back to trace out some of this scrapbook paper. And then after I get it traced out, what I'm going to do is just cut it out, and I'm just going to use some hot glue to attach it to that back, and I'm just going to add hot glue to the corners because this will be inside of the glass, so everything will be nice and secure. And after I do that, I'm going to cut out pieces for the two smaller frames as well and do the same thing and just hot glue them down to the backings. And so after I get that complete, what I'm going to do next is take my letters and add my words right on top of the scrapbooking paper. And for this first one, I'm just going to put the word bless. I'm just putting it not in the middle and closer to the bottom, leaving room for me to add my greenery. And then after I get the word bless on there, what I'm going to do next is add the word this to one frame, and then to the other frame, I'm going to add the word house. And then after I get all of my letters on there, it will say bless this house. And then what I'm going to do next is just attach pieces of this greenery from Walmart. And I am cutting the stem off, and I'm just going to add some pieces to all three of these picture frames. And then after I get all of the greenery on there, what I'm going to do is just take these and add them back to the frame and the glass. And I'm just going to press everything down. I think these will be cute. You can switch these out for different season or holidays, but I think these is so cute. And after I get all three of the frames back on there, this DIY will be complete. And I think this turned out really nice. How cute is this for a gift? And so now I'm going to get started on the third DIY for today. So simple, but so cute. I will be using two of these little wood boxes from Michael's. These were 99 cents, and they have the rope attached and a little hanging piece in the back. I'm going to be using some more of those letters. As you can see, you get a lot for that $1.99. Also from Michael's, I picked up these paper florals. These are so pretty, and these are $1.48. And what I'm going to be using is also some of my Waverly white chalk paint. And the first thing I'm going to do is just paint the inside of both of these boxes using that color. And so after I get the inside painted, what I'm going to do next is take those letters, and I think these will be really cute for personalized names. But for one, I'm going to put the word mom, and then the other one, I'm actually going to put my name, Jenny. I think these will be cute if you put like your mom name or your sister name. I think these are so cute, and I'm actually going to be recreating these for my sisters and my friends, and I'm actually going to use their names. And so after I get Jenny in there, what I'm going to do is take that matte Mod Podge, and I am going to go over both of these. And after that dries, what I'm going to do is take those paper flowers that I love so much. I am going back to Michael's to get more. I'm just going to glue one down right next to my name, and then I'm going to glue the other one right down next to mom. And this DIY is complete, and I think these are adorable. These will actually look cute on a tier tray. You can hang these above your desk in your bedroom. I just think these are absolutely adorable. So for the fourth DIY, I am going to be using some more of those florals from Michael's that I paid $1.20 for. You get 3 stems, and I think these are so pretty. And I'm also going to be using my favorite rub-on transfer stickers from the Dollar Tree. As you can see, I've been using these. I think these are so adorable. I have two of these boxes from Michaels that I paid $1 for. I think the original price is $2.49, but these rung up for $1. And they already have the knobs on them. I think the unfinished look is actually really pretty. Now the Dollar Tree do have some that I always use, but I'm going to show you the difference. These I always have to paint these, and the ones from Michaels, it's just a little bit bigger, and they do already have the knobs on them. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to remove the insert in one of these boxes because I will not be using that for this project. And then I'm going to add my transfer stickers onto the box. And I think these transfer stickers is so cute. This project is so simple, but it is functional, and I think it is really pretty for Mother's Day. So after I get my transfer stickers on there, the next thing that I'm going to do is get those florals, and I'm just going to cut those stems down. And then what I'm going to do is just take a little leftover piece of foam that I had, and I'm just going to glue that right down inside of the box so that I can add my florals. And I'm going to take that box and I'm just going to glue it down right to the top of the other box, and I'm keeping the insert so that the drawer can be functional. And then after I get that hot glue down, I'm just going to start adding in my floral pieces. After I get my florals in, I'm going to take a little bit of that Dollar Tree moss to cover up any foam that may be showing. And then after I get that done, this DIY will be complete. It's so simple, but I absolutely love it, and I think it's a really cute, functional gift. And then now I'm going to get started on the last DIY for today. And for this DIY, I'm going to be using 4 of the leftover sticks from the Dollar Tree foam brushes, some more of that Michaels ribbon for 99¢. I have another one of those boxes, and I'll just be using the box part and using that insert for a later project. And then I have some bunches of these ferns from the Dollar Tree. I absolutely love these Dollar Tree ferns. So the first thing I'm going to do is just hot glue that ribbon around the top part of this little wood box. And so after I get that complete, the next thing I'm going to do is take those foam brush sticks from the Dollar Tree, and I'm gluing one down in each corner of the box. And so after I get that complete, what I'm going to do is just push down a piece of that Dollar Tree foam, and then I'm going to start adding in my ferns. I think this is so pretty, and I think it's a really nice gift idea. I really like how it turned out. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. I really do appreciate all of the support. If you like this video, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my channel because I would love to have you here. As always, in the comment box below, let me know which one of these DIYs were your favorite. Here's a second look of the other DIYs that I created today. Until next time, my friends, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video.